Hello. And welcome to my video. Let's talk about learn how to belly dance like a pro in 2 hours. Now anyone can learn to belly dance easily from home. Introducing Belly Dancing Course, the ultimate masterclass. The #1 belly dancing course. Over 50 videos of dancing moves, combinations, layers, and techniques. Fun, engaging, step-by-step, and easy-to-follow video instructions. Different teachers, 5 dance styles. Excellent for beginners and advanced dancers. Innovative fast-track method and award-winning production. Includes a great selection of belly dance music and rhythm. Instant access to videos plus lifetime access. Here are some sample videos.
Today I'm going to demonstrate camels for you. I'm going to do the upright camel as well as the sideways camel. I'll just show you what they both look like to begin with. So we've got the sideways on one. And now the upright one. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so let's start with breaking down the sideways on camel. And if you've seen the clip of the vertical 8, you'll see that it's very similar, we're just maybe doing it on one side. So
in this clip, I'm going to show you how to do a head slide. So we're going to start by bringing the arms up over the head, cross one hand over the other, and really press your hands together. Relax your shoulders down, gently contracting the muscles in the back of the neck. We're going to slide our ear towards the elbow. Slide, 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 slide. And a little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keeping the chin parallel to the floor. And if that's feeling comfortable, you can do a double time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or with a little bit of percussion. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Remember to keep your chin parallel to the ground, shoulders relaxed.
Listen to what satisfied customers have to say. Monique Sosa, Los Angeles, California. Enough content for a 10-week course. Janie McGinnis, Salina, Kansas. Multiple angles so you miss nothing. Nadine Perez, Albany, New York. Provides proper guidance and explanation of techniques. Shelia De La Rosa, Ontario, Canada. One of those courses that makes a difference, fast and permanently. Kayla Haney, London, UK. This is an excellent instructional course. Wonderful tips and visuals. Ruth Correa, Tamarack, Florida. Great job breaking down the moves. Doreen Reina, KZN, South Africa. Enjoyable simply because it is easy. Entertainment Weekly. The easiest and most effective way to learn belly dancing online. Cosmopolitan magazine. Possibly the fastest way for anyone to master belly dancing, and you can do it all from the privacy of your home. Want to learn belly dancing the easy and quick way? This is the perfect opportunity you've been waiting for. Get instant access to belly dancing course by checking link in description below. Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.